Afternoon everyone, you joined me in one of our lovely Vanlux motorhomes. This is the Bailey Adamo motorhome. It's beautiful actually, it's brand new as well. Very nice, well refined. I thought I'd use today for a little bit of a location switch up and use the motorhome. So I'm just going to fill you in on a few things that have been going on over the past month and for the journey ahead. Today we had Thomas have his last day with us after 11 years. So again, thank you very much, Thomas, for all of your hard work over those 11 years. All of the overtimes, all of the late night pickups and everything else has been absolutely tremendous to have you here. So thank you very much. James Gearing's leaving us as well. So thank you very much, James, for your hard work as well. So a quick mention out to Darren as well. He's not doing very well. He's at home on his recovery. But if you have his number, drop in a line. I'm sure he'll be very happy to hear from you. We have recently ramped up the buying. You may have seen on site again, it's getting a bit busy. So key things to remember: park considerably and keep the work flowing. Spot any issues, no matter what you see. Report it, try and fix it, try and be proactive. If you see a driver on site and they're struggling for a vehicle, give them a helping hand. Say, oh, what are you looking for? You know, sometimes you can help out. You may have spotted something that they didn't see. So trying to help people, help them through their day, no matter the job role. Really important. We're on a pivotal precipice at the moment where if we can get a few things right, we can absolutely supercharge 2026. It's going to be super exciting. We have a few things coming in the pipeline that are going to be super exciting as well, and I can't wait to share those with you. But right now, if we can do those things right, then we've got a really good path ahead to smash it this year. As we're coming into spring and summer, naturally, and hence why I'm in here, Vanlux is going to be needing some more support. So thinking about what we can do with Vanlux, any ideas is always welcome. Sid and I are working on a few tools that are going to absolutely supercharge the sales admin process. We're trying to speed that up, trying to make their lives easier as well. So that's another exciting tool that we can hopefully introduce soon. Similar to what we've done with the VCCs, we're trying to bring that up to speed and trying to get it easier for everyone to do the job. We're welcoming in a few new people. We've had Andy Turner join us in cars. Kieran will be joining in the EV team. We've also had a new addition down at Trade Vans as well. Our social media channels are doing 95% better than the standard like-for-like accounts in our industry. So it's being seen by people. The platforms are recognising what we're doing. We are doing a really good job with the content we're putting out there. It's getting views, it's getting likes, it's getting engagement. That's also having a direct effect on the website traffic, which is super important. The whole idea behind this is to generate an audience, and we can drag them over to our websites, advertise some stock. We're using, the cheap bits and the expensive bits, and the anomalies in the stock to try and draw attention, try and get that engagement, get the hook, so people will watch our stuff for longer and understand what we're trying to do. Building a little bit of an audience and then marketing to that audience, as well as encouraging them to view and use our stock and our website. We're playing it very tactically and we're doing a very good job at that. If you do want to get involved, feel free, it's absolutely fine. We'd love you to get involved in the videos if you do feel like you want to. Especially mechanics, if you want to get involved, putting the Ray-Ban Meta glasses on, doing some POV stuff, anything. We are very happy and open to having you involved in the videos. At the end of the day, we want to be completely transparent on the channels. We want to be showing what we're doing, how we're doing it, and why we're doing it. And it's super important that we are showing kind of the 360 view of the business, because transparency sells. If people trust and believe what you're doing in a really simple, primal brain way, then you're going to have success. And that's quite simple. That's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got this far, I'll see you around.